ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சோஷியலில் யூனிட் 1 எவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன்ஸ் அண்ட் சோஷியாலிட்டி ப்ரீஹிஸ்டாரிக் பீரியட் இந்த லெசன் தான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், டேஷ் இஸ் ஜெனட்டிக்கலி க்ளோசஸ்ட் டு ஹியூமன்ஸ். Chimpanzee is the answer. The period called dash marks the beginning of agriculture and animals domestication. Neolithic. Option C, Neolithic is the answer. Direct ancestor of modern man was dash. Option C, Homo sapiens. Dash is the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. Option B, Fertile Crescent. Sir Robert Bruce Foote, a geologist from England, first discovered the dash tool at Pallavaram near Chennai. Option B, Paleolithic. Sixth one, first point. The period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. Second one, the prehistoric people developed language, made beautiful paintings and artifacts. Third one, the prehistoric societies are treated as literate. Fourth one, the prehistoric period is called ancient. Answer is option C. Option 1 and 4 are correct. Seventh one, first option, the Neolithic people used polished stone axes are called sills. Second one, evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payampalli in Chennai district. Third point, the cultural period that succeeds the Neolithic is called the Bronze Age. Fourth one, the period that witnessed domestication of animals and cultivation of crops is called Mesolithic. Option A, first option is correct. Eighth one, assertion. Many of the Mesolithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks. Reason, irrigation management developed during Mesolithic period. The answer is option D. A and or both are incorrect. Second one, fill in the blanks. First question, hand axes on clevers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic culture. Lower, L-O-W-E-R. Paleolithic, P-A-L-E-O-L-I-T-H-I-C. Lower Paleolithic is the answer. The methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called lithic technology. Lithic, the spelling of lithic is L-I-T-H-I-C. Lithic is the answer. Dash is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. Mesolithic period. Mesolithic, M-E-S-O-L-I-T-H-I-C is a Mesolithic period. P-E-R-I-O-D period. Mesolithic period is the answer. Third Roman, find out the correct statement. First question, option A. The concept survival of the fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human origins is the correct answer. So we want to write it is correct. Option B, The book on the origin of spices was published by Herbert Spencer. It's a wrong answer because the origin of spices was published by Charles Darwin. Option C. Darwin theory of biological evolution connects with the process of natural selection. It's a correct answer, so I am writing it's correct. Option D. Geology is the study of lithic technology. It's a wrong answer because இது வந்து lithic technology இல்லை, the earth. இந்த lithic technologyக்கு பதில் இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம எழுத வேண்டியது the earth. Second one, option A. Among the great apes, orang-utan is genetically the closest to humans. It's wrong answer because orang-utan is not the genetically closest to humans. It's a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Option B. The ancestor of humans were called hominins and their origin have been traced to Africa. It's a correct answer. Option C. Flag cannot be used for tool making. It's a wrong. Option D. Acculean is the main block of stone from which small chips are flaked by using a hammer stone. It's a wrong because Herculean is not the main block. The core is the main block. So the answer here, the core. This is the wrong. Fourth Roman, match the following. First one, paleoanthropology. The answer is the study of the human ancestor. Second one, hand axe tools. Herculean. Third one, images on stone and bone. Venus. Fourth one, red sand dunes. Terrace. Fifth one, stone artifact of small size. Microlith. Friends, நம்ம இப்போ வந்து fifth Roman போலாம். Fifth Roman, answer the following briefly. First question, discuss how the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. The answer is in page number 2. The page number 2ல the age of speculation ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்கு பாருங்க, அதில் தான் இதோட ஆன்சர். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரீஃப்லி கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர் இருக்கு. Humans are the only species on earth concerned with understanding as well as explaining the world and the universe is the first point. In the course of evolution, humans became conscious and knowledgeable. Second point. Third point is they turned curious and began to think and ask questions about nature, organism and the world around them. Fourth point, they worshipped sun, moon and various natural forces about which they developed their own understanding, some of which is not scientific. இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரீஃப்லியோட ஆன்சர். நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன். செகண்ட் ஒன், ரைட் எ நோட் ஆன் த இம்பேக்ட் ஆஃப் pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. Page number 11. Agriculture and pastoralism அப்படின்னு ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்குது. அந்த டாபிக் கீழே இருக்குது பாருங்கள். The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the group were hunting and gathering. This is the first point. Second point is millets and rice were cultivated. Third point, irrigation management developed. Fourth point is In the deltaic region, irrigation as the technology has developed, evidence of rise is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district and Porundal near Palani. This is the answer for the second brief. So write it in the classworks and you read it and write tests in your home. Then I am going to teach you the third question. List out the features of megalithic burial types. Page number 10. Page number 10ல megalithic burial types அப்படின்னு ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்கு பாருங்க. அது கீழ் லைன்லயே ஆரம்பிக்கும். The Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. And the second point is, within these burials, the skeletons of a few bones of the dead person were placed along with grave goods including iron object, cornelian beads and bronze object. Third point, some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. Fourth point, they may be called memorial burials. This is the answer for the third question. Then we can learn fourth question. Examine the tool making technology skills of the lower Paleolithic people. Page number 4. Lower Paleolithic culture அப்படின்னு ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்கு பாருங்க. அதிலிருந்து கீழே தேர்ட் லைனில் lost the human ancestor flaked large stone blocks and designed various tools including hand axes. That is the first point. The second point is, after that 3 lines, they made various tools such as hand axes and cleaver to meet their subsistence needs. This is the second point. The third point is, after 5 lines, the hand axes tools are also known as Acheulean. And the fourth point will be in last line, the page last line. Bifaces are tools that have flaking both sides. This is the fourth point. Fifth point is, the last line la irundu நம்ம வந்து 8 lines முன்னாடி, the last paragraph ஓட last line la irundu 8 lines முன்னாடி பாருங்க. This tool making tradition continued till 250,000 2,50,000 years to 60,000 years ago in India. This is the answer for the fourth briefly question. Then we can go to the detail. Answer the following in detail. The developments in fields of agriculture, pottery and metals tools are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic period substantiate. Page number 11. Agriculture and pastoralism அப்படின்னு ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த டாப்பிக்கில் வர ஃபுல் பேராகிராஃபுமே நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணணும். அடுத்ததாக அதே பேஜில் இந்த சைட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பாட்டரின்னு ஒரு டாபிக் இருக்குது. அந்த பாட்டரின்ற டாப்பிக்கை எழுதிடுங்க. அதுலேருந்து பாயிண்ட்டாக இதை எழுதணும் நீங்கள். பாட்டரி இஸ் an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. This is the first point. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make blackware and redware pottery. Is the second point. Third point is, potteries were used to make cooking, storage and dining purpose. The black and red ware pottery has a black inside and a red outside with lustrous surface. Then take page number 12. In the metals tools, iron technology and metals tools அப்படின்னு ஒரு